Hello. My name is Keith. Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be opening a Hunter x Hunter by Figurama today. I'm really excited to get this in. I ended up getting it from a local in San Diego. Thanks, by the way. Appreciate it. You know who you are if you see this. And I figured, why not let's just get started. Let's do this thing. Move it back so you guys can see it. Okay, let's do this. Push, push, push. It's too heavy to push. Oh, your eyes will... Yes. And I'm not going to put it up there.
Or are you just going to build it up here? Or whatever?
Yeah. Ba-boom. Ba-boom. Let me see what the piece number is. It is number 572. There you go. Alright, I just opened it because I figured you guys didn't want to watch me unbox this stupid box. But here it is. Hunter x Hunter, Meruem versus Netero. I'm really excited. This box is absolutely huge, by the way. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. But we just took the box out, and this thing is big. You want to stand next to it, Dad? Show them how show them how you dwarf the size. You're right. That's my dad. That dog is huge. How tall are you, Dad? Never mind. Whatever. I'm sorry.
You're too weird, man.
I know. Okay, whatever. But it's very big. That's the point. All right. Cool. I'm going to take you guys a look for the box. Yeah, I'm sweating just lifting that up.
Okay, let's get at it.
No, wait, no, I want to do a full box thing. Let me think.
Oh, okay.
Oh, man, there's some writing. Oh, that's my favorite thing. All right, let's read it. The world premiere of Hunter x Hunter statue by Figurama Collectors portrays a cosmolytic duel between the two most powerful characters, Meruem, and the Grandmaster of the... I don't know what that says. Of Kung Fu! Netero. I'm exchanged over 1,000 blows in 1 minute. Both combat in space for the final decisive clash. Meruem versus Netero. The supersonic speed. Deadly supersonic speed, deadly barbaric stinger, and... Bone crushing hands, pet save the kill, while the 12th chairman counters Meruem's vicious onslaught, activating his multi-armed 100 type Guardian Blue Disco. Formed from the pinnacle of Underground 2. Hi, Sydney. What's up? How are you doing? Alright, the battlefield explodes in a cloud of blinding debris beneath the giant 99th hand palm strike, revealing a huge Gungi board symbolic of the giant Chimera Ant's emotional climax and Meruem's special connection to his girlfriend. Oh, look at that. That's cute. This box is big. Really big. Ooh, there's more. Oh my god, I have to keep reading. Ooh. Alright, there you go. And there's just a bunch of warnings. Basically, don't put it in your smoke. Ooh. Alright, there you go. And there's just a bunch of warnings. Basically, don't put it in your smoke. We got a nice picture. Actually, it's a very nice picture. This is what it's gonna look like, Mom, if you want something like this. But yeah, it looks nice. Very cool. What else do we got in here? We've got our nifty instruction booklet. Oh man, my favorite. And hopefully we have the certificate of authenticity. Yes, we do. Number 572. Nice. Alrighty, cool. Alrighty. I'll take the phone back. Nice instruction booklet. I got the Tokyo Glue one as well, but my video footage deleted for that one. But this is a very good, nice looking booklet. Nice. Alright, well, let's get this thing going here. I will say the one thing about this though is that the Tokyo Ghoul box that I did unbox was a lot nicer than this one. Just my one complaint. Check that out. Oh my god. Whew. Mom doesn't want to be on camera. She's shy. All right, let's do this thing. Let's get started. Big old bass. Big old bass. Big old bass. Big old bass. Just put that down right there. Nice. Alright, let me get this camera readjusted. Just adjusted the camera so you guys can see better. Alright, cool.
Ooh.
Whoa, that's cool. Oh, cool. The face looks very nice. Although there's like pieces of paper stuck in it from this good old thing. Alright, if I lift it, you want to pick up what's under? Wait a second. Ooh. This thing's big. Nice! Wow, that looks really good. Or can you move the piece of white? I got it. This is not. This isn't that heavy. Can you move the piece of trash? Cool.
Just slip some straight from the top.
Okay, let me check. Let me check how this bottom part looks.
Okay. It's gonna fit right in here. Hang on. Oh, there it is. There it
Nice.
is. Check that out.
Woo! Oh man. Check that out. So I'm like, I'll have to show you the scene where this comes from because it's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Are you sure you don't want to stick around to see the pieces fall into place?
Check it out, man.
Nice. Double beam, low beam. Oh, look at the detail on that.
Yeah, there's muscles in there.
Like dirt and
Mhm.
it's cool.
Even the wrinkles in the side.
Yeah. So basically, like in this scene, like this guy's our good guy, and he's like fighting our bad guy. It's hard to explain. It might be an anime that you'd like, though.
So there's 4. Goes on that side. Putting him the way he's facing us. 4 comes across his body.
Okay, so this goes right here. Do you want to put that in? Other way?
Let's see how it's going down.
Yeah, it's going down. So like, angle it up. Keep going up. There you go.
Ooh.
You can even see his veins.
Okay, pretty good.
Wow.
So you're putting in 4 right now.
Yeah. And they're magnetic, that's nice. Huh, right. Can I see that for a second? Can it fit in there? I don't think it. Oh, there they go. I was just putting out noise. Oh no, this is his closed eyes one. Okay. Here's his closed eyes one. Here we go.
Ooh.
Nice. Oh. Check that out. That looks good. We'll figure it out. If anything, my friend Nick can come help us if we need to.
You might want to have a friend.
Yeah, I can. Nick, and plus Nick's so into anime that he'll probably be like, oh, dude, yeah.
If it's heavy and
Yeah. I will say this is really pretty though. How does this go? This is
14. Wow, this really stays on there like this. This looks heavy. Okay, this one comes around like this. No, yeah, that's later. And then this one comes in from the top. This is the biggest one, so hold his head. So, does this spike here? Go into here? Does this one? It goes into that one. This one's number 14.
This is.
well, no, this is number 13, so this one goes in here.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
This.
Ooh.
Nice. Let's grab the other one. I think that's as far as it's going in there.
Ooh.
Oof. Alright, and we got this last one here. Man, this one really goes in there. Come on.
Is it the right one, Keith?
It is. Hey, yeah, can you give me a hand? Ha! Ha! Sorry. Nice. Oh, jeez, that scared. That scared me. Oh my god. Can't shoot out.
Oh, wow.
Oh, about it anymore. Looking good. All right, here we go. Oh my god. Wow, that is so detailed. Look at the feet.
It's a girl. It's a guy.
It is a guy. Wait. Good idea. Tail? How does the tail go?
It's kind
Oh,
of
other way.
The pointy end goes the way you had it. Does it go more towards that point?
Oh, there it goes. It's tape. We're good.
Okay.
Not doing it. Here we go. High five. You could like slap someone with this. Is that it?
Yeah.
That's it.
I would wrap this little guy with the head. Really
Yeah.
good.
I'm gonna keep it out of the statue, actually. Here is the tour. Looks really good. Oh my goodness. Figurama, you've outdone yourself. This looks great. What got me was the scale, because you always see, I mean, of course they give you the measurements, but it's not like when you look at it, then you actually look at what you've got and it's actually huge. Oh my god. Let me get you a good look at his face. It's really cool. Meruem sitting up here, looking all cool in his pose with his 100 type Guanyin Goody Vista. Nice. And Meruem sitting right here. There's not too much in the back, but there is a board. Get to look at a nice board, Jungi board. Jungi board. Mom, Mommy, Jungi. And they're all obliterated and destroyed. Anyway, this is it. This looks pretty good. I'll post a video when it's actually set up in my room, but here it is.